Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use your own custom email signature. So I am out here at signaturehound.com and I upgraded my plan so that I could have the premium version where I can add a lot more features. I can have multiple signatures, up to 10 signatures. And this is critical if you're doing other business endeavors or if you want to create different calls to action. I recommend sticking with one call to action per email signature block. So this is for my OCD therapy, and I've got my picture, logo, all of my social media icons, and I have done a banner here that's a call to action, and it goes to the 15-minute consult, created that in Canva. So all of the features are out here to the left, and you can customize everything, which is really fabulous. So now I am going to install the signature on my Spark. And Spark is something that I love, and I use the premium version of Spark because you can easily go through your emails. I mean, like, emails can be a nightmare. So, all right, gone down here and I've hit copy. So we're going to open Spark, go here to settings, and then under settings, go to accounts. I'm going to click on the account I want to create the signature. And then right here, signatures. So I need to actually change this out. I'm going to delete my previous one. Now hit create. Paste. There you go. And so now everything is clickable. Instead of just having a flat picture at the bottom, now people, if they want to click out to the different links, they can. So it's very fabulous for lead generation and just looking professional all around. And I'll go ahead and show you my other signatures as well. So this is for my business mentoring, and it's very different because I have different social media channels for that side of the business and just different title. So anyway, you can see the benefits of having multiple signatures. And then once you have it in there, you're going to select your email account and then go down the drop-down menu, select the one you need. So there you go. And that's how you create a custom email signature. Highly recommend it, and check out the links in the description if you want to do the same thing too. Thanks. Bye.